without acting alone. Have me control. Have me control. You without have no soul.
Hey, I tried it again. I'm sorry, YouTube. So, you see something different here? Yep. These are the old tires and rims that came off the truck. Well, not really old. So these are technically a little newer rim. The truck used to have 16-inch rims that were included in the sale, but these were included also. So I think that at the time, the tire was cheaper for these rims. So I was like, you know what? I'll throw these on. They'll be good. But now I'm going to clean them all up, polish them up, make them shiny, and they're going up for sale. So, but, oh boy, take a look. I know it's missing the middle hubcap right now. Don't worry. That's going to get taken care of, at least for the rear, most likely. Take a look at how nice these are, though. So total, I paid $300 for the rims, and I paid $350 for the tires. So I got about $650 into this entire thing. So if I spend like $50 to $100 on hubcaps, I'm okay with that. Still way cheaper than buying new tires and rims, because you guys know how expensive that stuff is. There's no spacers, doesn't rub. I actually really like the look of how it all came out. And not only did I upgrade my tires and rims, I can now sell my old tires and rims and probably pay back more than half, way more than half of what I spent into everything that I did. So, I'll show you guys again. It kind of, you know, I didn't want it to stick out a whole lot, but I think this is just enough where I don't probably can't even see it in the photo or videos, but it does stick out a little bit. And I already told my fiance I think we're gonna start sanding everything down and getting this thing ready for paint. And then I can take off the bed, replace the rails, and with the bed off, I can redo the whole frame. I still have to replace that rear cross member, which I already have in the garage, ready to go. And then I just have to buy the patch panels, you know, the bed, not bed, I'm sorry, the cap corner, the rocker panels, all that kind of stuff. And then it's ready to go. Ready to go for paint, at least. You know, it's all this takes time, but We're making progress on the F350, and I definitely like it. That's all we gotta do, keep going forward. And then I definitely not gonna replace the leaf springs like I was going to. I might have them fixed up, might have them powder coated and stuff like that. I will most likely replace the shocks, only because it's just one of those things where it's just better to do now when you're doing everything. But I'll do it after I get everything painted up here. I'll have to remove all the plastic again, but that's fine. Remove the all of the interior, because I also want to rhino line the entire interior of the truck. It's definitely coming along, and with these tires and rims, I think it's starting to look a little beastly. It's getting there. Remember, I'm going for like a cheap truck kind of build. Yeah, it's definitely getting there though. Definitely getting there. And I was actually really surprised. So the fuel pump actually turned on by itself before. I'm really interested to see if I grab my keys, will it do it again? One second, let me see if I can find my keys.